Hello from New York City, I am Emilyn Teh and you're watching Costumes and Cocktails. Here are your panelists, fashion editor of Paper Magazine, Mario Abad, one of the world's foremost experts in the celebrity industrial complex, Jimmy Chairman.
Hi there.
Today we're breaking down some of the hottest looks from the highly anticipated Sex and the City reboot. And just like that, they're back. Carrie, Miranda, and Charlotte, that is.
Samantha, if you're out there, we miss you. And we miss Charlotte's old face too.
Ouch.
No. I think any woman who wants to get work done, I support it at any age. Don't listen to that.
Mario, I'm not opposed to work. I guess anything is fine, but at the end of the day, she should have gotten that work done 2 years before they shot this rather than 2 months. And as the straight white male on the panel, redacted.
Well, let's take a look at the first look that we saw of the three ladies. Carrie and Norma Karmali, Charlotte, of course, in Herrera, and then Miranda, who's wearing all two Zara.
Yeah, the shoes were a point of discussion. Particularly Carrie's very high platform Celine shoes. It's, as we all know, she loves a good single sole, a little Manolo, a little Jimmy Choo. So, it's not something that I particularly saw believable, but again, we'll have to see. They're in different places in their lives.
And let's take a look at that first footage that we saw. Miranda is dressed in Dries van Noten, as well as Carrie. And then we have Charlotte in Mcqueen. What do we think?
As we know from the series, Carrie loves her a dumbass hat, and that's a dumbass hat. And you guys know I'm not a Galliano fan, so hated it.
Everything else, though, from the Dries looks, it's very, the patterns, the stripes, we love a bold moment, and I thought they pulled it off very well.
Who is Carrie Bradshaw without her tutu? Today I'm paying tribute to the tutu. My only question is the length of Carrie's tutu growing with her age?
It is too long. I look at Carrie's tutu, and I just can't help but think that the New York City streets are a dog bathroom. Like, what is she picking up on the bottom of that tutu? And that grosses me out.
We'll be back. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.